Hi there, this is the puzzle guy and today I will show you the dovetail box. It's not just a regular box, it's a trick box, which means there is a hidden compartment inside. Let's take a closer look at this box. There are two parts, each of them is made out of wood and one part is red painted. There is a dovetail shaped part on each side, which gave this box its name. Also, dovetail is well known in woodworking as dovetail joint. And from the first side, this box looks like an impossible object, because if you try to open it, you try to push it forward, but it's gonna be stopped by this dovetail on the left and on the right. And if you want to push it from this side forward, it's gonna be stopped by dovetails on left and right side. So it's pretty interesting how to solve this puzzle. And if you are interested in buying this puzzle, I will put a link in the description. And if you want to see the solution of this trick box, you can keep watching the video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to open this box by yourself, stop watching now. So when you take this puzzle in your hands and start playing with it, you can find that you can move it a little bit. There is a small free play, but surprisingly this free play goes from this to this direction on 45 degrees. So you can't push it forward, you can push it only on 45 degrees, as you can see, like this. But something is stopping these two parts from taking it apart. And this something is a small mechanism which keeps it closed. And to open it, you have to take the trick box with the red part down and hit it from the bottom, like this. And when you hit it, you can open it. And now you can see the secret of this box. There is a small steel ball which prevents this trick box from opening. So if you put this steel ball here and try to close the box, you can't do it, because this steel ball is not gonna give you to move the red part to close it. And the same happens when you try to open this box. You can't do it because of this small steel ball. When you put this ball on the red part, the cutout here is deeper, so the ball disappears there, and that's how you can close it and then hit it from the bottom, from the lighter part, and the ball is gonna fall down and close the puzzle again. So as I told you, there is a hidden compartment inside. It's pretty big, so you can put here a gift for your friends, for example, and give this box as a present. And now I will show you how to close it. Just put it back and hit it from the bottom. That's how you close it. Now you can't open the box, and to open it you have to hit it again. If you like this trick box and you want to see more of my videos, press like and subscribe button.